Alright, here we go. I'm gonna talk about this plywood block and what's up with the holes. Well, I made this device so I could streamline my process of taking these apart. And the holes in here are 6.5 millimeters or 6. And how I operate this is I just put my patch cables in here. I need to take these apart because I'm building a new board. And yeah, it's a really simple thing to do, but as we can see, it can be a huge improvement to your workflow. So if you need to desolder cables often, which I actually don't, but even then I decided that this will really pay off. So here we go. Then I just get to work. And then of course I got this for there we go. So this thing is in the end much faster than hooking them up to something like this and doing it. So yeah, really simple thing to do. Any block of wood, and you can of course make many more holes in it. And yeah, a little tip, do it yourself tip from me, and good to have in your toolbox. All right, I'm off. Build the pedal board. Have fun. Rock on.